Testing this Logitech 2.1 speakers, and this is the subwoofer, this is the height. So I place it on the ground because so that it would give more bass, as the ground can also be a reflector bass for the bass to be heard. So I'll be launching my application that I'll be using for testing our Pioneer DJ. I mean the Logitech Z333. Yeah. 3.3. Okay, so I'm launching the application. So sorry for my laptop is a little bit not good for performance mode. Although when you started the app, it would really start it. Okay, let's just wait. This laptop is very good. I like its performance, very nice. So here's the volume knob for but I don't think I would be. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so I'll be pausing the video, okay, while I'm gonna be choosing my songs.